Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. It seems this month I can't get off of cheesesteaks. I started making them and I like them, and there's so many variations to them. And there's many famous pizza places near my house, and they make tons of different cheesesteaks. So for today we're going to make a quick pizza cheesesteak. Who doesn't like pizza and who doesn't like cheesesteak? So the Italian restaurants near my house are known for this, the pizza cheesesteak, but it's easy. It only takes a few ingredients. So for today we have this roll. I used it in the Philadelphia cheesesteaks. It's really good. I used garlic butter and I browned it. If you want, you can look in the other two cheesesteak videos and you'll see how to do it. I got pizza cheese, pizza sauce, and adobo. Adobo is totally optional. And then I got the steak in there in strips, flank steak, and I actually used that nice olive oil. So right now, put your stove on medium. And this, like I said, this is optional. If you want, throw in a little bit of adobo. It'll give it a little bit of a Mexican kick, but not really a kick, like basically seasoning. But let's cook this steak, and then once we're done, we'll put it on the bread, the sub hoagie roll, and then we'll top it with pizza sauce, the cheese, and then we'll melt it. But this one is really easy, and kids would love this. So you can see that it's sizzling. Just stir this and cook your. All right, so you can see that I have that on medium. If you want it, you could turn it down to low. So just cook your steak. Thin steak only takes a couple minutes, and if you like it more rare, you can do it for less time. So just cook that until it's done. All right, so you can see that our steak cooked. Now we're going to go to the roll, and on the bottom of the roll, just start putting some pizza sauce on there. So just use the pizza sauce of your choice, and just put a thin layer down for right now. Alright, so our pizza sauce is on the bottom. Now I'll take that steak and put it on that sandwich. Like I said, this doesn't take that long. It takes longer to cook the steak than do anything, because once you have it together, you just want to melt the cheese like a pizza. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, you can see that the steak is on there. And now we're going to just take some more pizza sauce, and just put a fine layer on there. It's like we're making the pizza on top of the cheesesteak. You didn't really have to put the sauce on the bottom if you didn't want to, but it adds a little bit more flavor. And I'll never forget a comment from YouTube when I made the pizza hot dog. Someone said that they would like to put the sauce inside the bun, the hot dog bun, before doing everything, and they were right. So just put the sauce that you need on here, and then we'll top it with cheese, throw it in the oven, and we're done. Alright, so you can see that pizza sauce is down there. Now we're going to take the pizza cheese. Just put the pizza cheese on top of there. Put on as much as you want. Alright, so we put some pizza cheese on there, like I said. Put on as much as you want. Some of us like regular cheese. Some of us like extra cheese. So just put on what you want, and then you have a few options. You could put this in the stove and bake it till the cheese melts. You could put it in the microwave at 20 seconds at a time, and on average it takes about 60 seconds to melt it. Or you could put it back in the pan and throw some water in there to create steam. And cover it, and you can use that to melt the cheese. So let's just get the cheese on, and then we'll go to the last step. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, I got on what I needed, and now I'm going to just cover that. Look at that sandwich. It's funny, I think I put the sandwich upside down. I think this was the bottom. but I can just flip it over. So the thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this on a pan, and I'm going to go into my oven, and I'm going to just bake it until it all melts. If you want, like I said, microwave it. It's really easy, especially if you're making this for kids. Why complicate it? Or if you're making this for nighttime to eat, why complicate it? So be back once it's done. Okay, Facebook and YouTube, there's your pizza cheesesteak. Look how gooey it is. Everything is just melted in there. I kinda used a roll that was too old, and I should have used a different one. But when I let this cool down a little bit and cut it, it's gonna be really good. So this is how you make a pizza cheesesteak in 10 minutes or less. And I suggest if you want to cook steak, chicken, and seafood ahead of time, as long as you know you'll use it within 7 days, and make big batches of it and then use it for other stuff. Because with this steak already cooked, this recipe only takes you 5 minutes. So thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for subscribing. Hit the bell for notifications, and I bring you 3 to 5 updates a week. Peace out. Love you. God bless.